Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest in tech reviews and product insights. Today, we have an exciting piece of tech to dissect. The HP Envy x360 15.6 touchscreen FHD 2-in-1 business laptop computer. This powerhouse of a machine promises to revolutionize your computing experience with its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about what makes this laptop stand out from the crowd. At its core, we have the 12th Gen Intel 12-core i7-1260p processor, boasting lightning-fast speeds and impressive multitasking capabilities. With 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a massive 2 TB PCIe SSD, this laptop is ready to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. But it's not just about raw power. The HP Envy x360 is also a stunner in terms of design. Sporting a sleek and elegant natural silver aluminum finish, this laptop exudes sophistication and professionalism. And with its 15.6-inch touchscreen FHD display, complete with edge-to-edge glass and micro-edge design, you'll be treated to stunning visuals that bring your content to life. Connectivity-wise, this laptop has you covered with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 capabilities, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections wherever you go. Plus, with an array of ports including Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and more, you'll have plenty of options for expanding your setup and connecting your favorite peripherals. And let's not forget about security. With features like a fingerprint reader and HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera with camera shutter, your data and privacy are in safe hands. Whether you're working on sensitive documents or video conferencing with colleagues, you can rest assured knowing that your information is protected. Now, let's talk about performance. Whether you're a business professional, creative enthusiast, or avid gamer, the HP Envy x360 has the power to meet your needs. Thanks to its Intel Iris Z graphics and audio by Bang & Olufsen with dual speakers, you'll enjoy immersive visuals and crystal clear sound that elevate your entertainment experience to new heights. So, there you have it folks, a closer look at the HP Envy x360 15.6 touchscreen FHD 2-in-1 business laptop computer. With its powerhouse performance, sleek design, and top-of-the-line features, this laptop is sure to impress even the most discerning users. If you're in the market for a versatile and high-performance machine that can handle anything you throw at it, then look no further than the HP Envy x360. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and product critiques. Until next time, happy computing!